This is the technique video for the Protective Diet wonton. This is an oil-free wonton. And this paper is soaked. I'm removing any excess water and then into my batter. And in my batter, I'm going to really coat this paper, this softened paper, well. And each batch makes 4 of these. You can see I'm taking off any excess batter and then unfolding the paper, putting it onto my baking sheet, lined with parchment paper or silicone mat, and folding it as best as you can, and folding it in half. And then I'm moving on to my next one. We're taking care to get off any excess water off the paper so you don't dilute your batter. Any remaining batter that you might have, you can go ahead and put on top of your wontons. Wontons are hot out of the oven. I've given them a few minutes to cool so that I can handle them. As you can see, they're nice and crispy. You can serve them with the poke. This is so quick to prepare, and I made that while these were baking. And I have this set up as an appetizer style poke, and this one was made with the watermelon out of the 4 options on the poke recipe. And you can cut these or break them into smaller servings if you want to serve them on appetizer plates or around as an appetizer. And here I will dress these, set them up on each plate, or you could serve them like this so that your guests could take a serving, or serve this poke over rice as a poke bowl. But on these crispy wontons, it's a lot of fun. If you don't have chives or green onions handy, plant a couple cloves of garlic. Let me show you my herb garden. I planted 2 garlic cloves, one here and one right here, and you can see they grow just like chives. Garlic chives, or garlic scapes is what they're called. Use those in place of your chives or green onions in any recipe. They're just handy just to plant a clove in some dirt, and you can have these all winter long. Now I have chives growing in my herb garden, I could use those, but I wanted to give you this tip to plant a clove of garlic to have garlic scapes or garlic chives for your poke bowls on a protective diet. Take care and best of health.